world like? So again, if most people were awake at night, what would the world be like?
Sir, all the people will, what will happen if people will wake up at night? Maybe our world, will be worse because the sun gave us, the light of the sun gave us, gave us energy to do more things today rather than night. So night goes to sleep and relax. Just to relax. You have more energy after you've done the whole day. Most of the people now are working like a call center. Like in the